this doctor his journey of a non-surgical approach to maximize his hair growth. Today, let's listen.
Hi, I'm Dr. Karthik from Ipoh. Okay, first of all, I would like to thank Professor Dr. Jesji for giving me a chance to talk here. This is regarding my recovery of my hair, which I have been losing since 2010. So since I noticed I've been balding, I was worried but can't do much. And I decided to visit Dr. Jesji, where I got to know him through a website. So after the first visit in 2018, he gave me some advice and ideas of how to recover. But due to pandemic and busy schedule, I was not able to come and visit him and continue the treatment. But after the pandemic in 2022, I came to see him, and actually my balding got worsened. So it is very saddening that I can't even comb my hair and have to keep my hair very short at the time. So first, after meeting Dr. Jesji, he advised me to go for non-surgical approach on hair treatment. As he advised, he told me that there is follicles which is active, which can be reactivated through the non-surgical way. So I choose to go with that approach, and after 8 sessions of the non-surgical approach, I got a very satisfactory result, which I'm very happy now. I eventually now can comb my hair, and I can even stylish my hair, which I was not able to do it before. So I'd like to thank Dr. Jesji again for all the effort and the treatment and advice which was given promptly for me to follow, and I'm happy to be what I am now. Thank you.